Keep your customers engaged and informed by sending push notifications directly to their devices through your Diem mobile app. Here's how to set it up quickly and easily. After logging into your Diem merchant dashboard, head to the Marketing tab on the sidebar and click on Push Notifications. Next, click Create a Notification. You have two options: send to all customers, or send to customer groups. If you choose the latter, simply select the group of customers you wish to target. Set the date and time for when you want the notification to go out, and enter your message. You can choose from existing message templates to make it even easier. Once you've crafted your message, you can preview how the notification will look before sending. Once you're happy with the message, hit the Send button and your notification will be delivered directly to your customers' devices. If you'd like to send a notification to a specific customer, go to the Reporting tab on the sidebar, click on Customers, and find the customer you want to message. Click the action icon next to their name, select Send Push Notification, and set the date, time, and message before hitting Send.